If you're looking to tuck your Classic away for a prolonged period of time, then E-Type UK have 6 helpful tips to correctly store your pride and joy. Prior to storage, it's important to complete a deep clean. A good clean inside and out, removing any old salt, mud or any harmful materials will help prevent rust, smells and potential mould forming in your Classic. It is important to store your Classic with fully inflated tyres, regularly checking their levels throughout the storage and topping up where necessary. Deflated tyres over time can cause structural damage to your wheels. Most healthy batteries can hold charge for a couple of weeks, although it may be wise to invest in a trickle charger, allowing you to keep the battery topped up and to prevent any long-term damage. Alternatively, it may be beneficial to disconnect and remove your battery, as an old battery may leak and potentially corrode your engine. You should regularly check your brakes throughout prolonged storage, as sometimes the mechanical components can fuse. It's advised to occasionally release the handbrake and rock the car back and forth, ensuring a smooth return to the road later on. Throughout the duration of your car's storage, you should be keeping an eye on the fluids. A drip tray is a useful tool in monitoring this. If possible, it can be beneficial to start your car up regularly, allowing the engine to get to temperature, fluids to move around the system, as well as properly charging your battery. Remember to only perform startups in well-ventilated areas. Finally, tuck your Classic away under a protective cover, ensuring prevention of any unwanted dust build-up. This will ready your Classic for its later return to the road.